Hello, my name is Andy and I am the village idiot. I'm armed with a car, a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. And today we're in Waverley. Waverley. This is the Central Park. Now, Waverley Parish is an interesting one. There's no church here, so I can't do a grave walk, but that doesn't mean that I can't do something interesting. Away to the right, there's a path, and we're about to walk down it. Let's see where it goes. Alright, it looks like I'm stood in the middle of nowhere, but that's just because of the mist. Waverley is a housing estate that has recently sprung up to serve both Sheffield and Rotherham. It's built on what used to be barren waste ground. I believe that used to be a floodplain. Now, along this path, which you can barely see for the snow, there's a lake. And it's called Lake Waverley. Let's have a look at it, if we can. Okay, I've come a bit closer to the lake. You can't see it for the mist, but trust me, it's there. Trust me, it's there. This housing estate is still being built. It's already huge. Everywhere within Waverley Parish used to be within the boundaries of Catcliffe Parish. It even used to have the same S65 postcode as Catcliffe does. These days, Waverley has its own postcode and it's its own parish. Now, down here near the lake, you can't see the houses. We're now going to have a walk towards the houses and have a look at them. We're on the newest part of the estate here too. And all these houses are very recent and have sprung up in the last 5 or 6 years. So here's an example of one of the streets still being constructed. I don't know how much further I'm allowed to walk up here, but this whole area used to be a building site for at least the last 5 or 6 years. Every time you passed it, you saw construction workers. I think the snow has stopped play today though. Hey look, I found the newest resident of the estate. I don't think he's going to be here for very long though. Now, Waverley Estate is not all about the houses. There is a pub, and here it is, the Wintergreen. This is the roundabout where the main entrance of the Waverley estate is. Now, away to my left is where we're going now. That is the Advanced Manufacturing Park. Here we are on the Advanced Manufacturing Park. I'm stood in front of the Advanced Manufacturing Park Technology Centre. This is the world's first hydrogen-powered building. The entire industrial estate is home to some of the world's leading brand names. There's Rolls-Royce here, McLaren F1 are here, and Boeing are here. The University of Sheffield also has a partnership with Boeing, and they run a training centre just up Highfield Spring. Okay, it's a little obscured because of these trees, but that is the Rolls-Royce building. All the streets on the Advanced Manufacturing Park are named after engineers. Over there is Brunel Way. I will put a list of all the engineers in the video, either on subtitles, look down there basically. That building over there is the UK Atomic Energy Authority. This entire area, just like the housing estate, used to be part of Catcliffe Parish. Nowadays, it's all Waverley. Okay, that's just about going to do it for the Waverley video, guys. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed watching this one. It's a little different, but that's the way the parishes go. Link to my Buy Me a Coffee and my Facebook page is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Village Idiot out.